Welcome aboard. Ever wondered if you can enjoy your favorite Netflix shows during a flight in 2025? Let's find out. Netflix allows you to download select movies and shows for offline viewing. This means you can binge watch even when you're 30,000 feet in the air. Before you take off, ensure you download your desired content. Open the Netflix app, find the download section, and hit download on your favorites. Many airlines now support offline viewing of Netflix content, but remember to check if your airline offers this feature before your trip. Keep in mind that some downloaded shows may have expiration dates. Additionally, you're usually limited to the number of devices you can download content on. Despite Netflix's appeal, traditional in-flight entertainment systems still play a significant role. Some travelers may prefer the classically curated content. Looking ahead, in-flight connectivity is set to improve further. Expect faster, more reliable Wi-Fi options that could change how we consume media while flying. Hear from travelers who enjoyed their Netflix binge at cruising altitude. It was the highlight of my flight. While Wi-Fi is becoming increasingly available, downloading your favorite shows remains a fantastic option for uninterrupted entertainment on your next flight.